Resolve your debt with your creditor, your comprehensive guide. Dealing with debt can be stressful, especially when creditors, banks, or lenders come knocking. But fear not, zumazip.com is here to assist you in responding and resolving your debt, no matter who the creditor may be. Below is a list of guides designed to help you navigate the process and achieve a positive outcome. Communicating with creditors. Effective communication is key when dealing with creditors. Learn how to open lines of communication, negotiate payment terms, and address any concerns or disputes you may have. Negotiating payment plans. If you're struggling to make payments on your debt, negotiating a payment plan with your creditor can provide much-needed relief. Discover strategies for proposing and securing manageable payment arrangements that fit your budget. Settling debts for less. In some cases, creditors may be willing to accept a lump sum payment for less than the total amount owed. Explore techniques for negotiating debt settlements and potentially reducing the overall amount you owe. Requesting debt validation. Before agreeing to pay a debt, it's essential to verify its accuracy and validity. Learn how to request debt validation from your creditor to ensure that you're only paying for legitimate debts. Understanding statutes of limitations. Every debt has a statute of limitations, beyond which creditors cannot legally sue you for payment. Familiarize yourself with the statutes of limitations in your state to protect yourself from time-barred debts. Dealing with debt collection agencies. If your debt has been transferred to a collection agency, knowing your rights and how to interact with collectors is crucial. Get tips for dealing with collection calls, letters, and tactics while asserting your rights under the law. Seeking professional assistance. Sometimes, resolving debt disputes may require professional assistance. Explore options for working with credit counselors, debt settlement companies, or attorneys who can provide expert guidance and representation. Remember, you have options when it comes to resolving your debt with creditors. By arming yourself with knowledge and understanding your rights, you can take control of your financial situation and work towards a brighter, debt-free future. Let zumazip.com be your guide on this journey to financial freedom. So, if you're facing a similar situation, remember that Zumazip is here to help you every step of the way. We hope this experience has been insightful and inspiring for you. If you have any questions or need assistance with your own debt lawsuit, visit Zumazip's website at www.zumazip.com for a wealth of resources and support. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your case. Remember, Zumazip is rooting for you. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more free and informative videos.